guys, I'm Purnima from Bangalore. I'm one of the student of Ideals April 2026 batch. So today I'm here to share my experience with Ideals. Ideals was really great because I never knew in just 1 month I'm gonna learn a lot of things from Ideals. I learned house dance, hip hop, and a lot more things like this. And one more thing about Ideals is the structure. The structure, whatever they have planned to teach students who are attending the class, is really good because they're gonna take you from basic level to the advanced level. Also, the steps are made very easier and understandable while they are teaching. That is the best thing about the Ideals. And other main thing I want to mention about Ideals is that class observation. Here there are n number of students who's gonna attend this online diploma program. Here all the students are observed very well, and their mistake, even the small mistakes, small changes where they have to be improved, all that is noted down here by Shijin sir. End of this session, sir is gonna come live and you can ask him all the doubts you're having about the moves, songs, or anything. You can ask him. He is gonna clear it on spot, everything. And he is also review each and every student on how to improve the steps and where you have to improve. Even the small changes which has to be done are observed in this class. One more thing is that before starting your classes, there are even warm-up videos, and after the class, cool-down videos are shared, and that is really helpful for the students before attending the class. Also, there are Instagram pages, YouTube channels where you can get in touch with the Ideals and get registered. And the experience with Ideals was really great, also worth it. That is what I felt. Also, there are students who are already working as teachers and still want to improve their moves and practice their dance. This is the best platform I would like to suggest from my hand. Also, yes, at the end of the sessions, once you complete all your classes, at the last class you will be getting your certificate which you will be receiving on your email. So yeah, my experience with Ideals was really great, and thank you.